You can use your screen to set up your door keypad code. Now this is the code that you would enter on the outside of the vehicle to unlock your doors. Your vehicle will come equipped with a 5-digit factory code, and that will always work to unlock your doors. But if you'd like to personalize this setting, you can add up to 3 additional codes. That way you can set it up to be something that means a little bit more to you, maybe a birthday or an anniversary. In order to set this up, touch the Settings tab. From here, I need the vehicle button, and then the door keypad code. This screen will prompt me for the 5-digit factory code that you should have received when you got your vehicle on a white card. This pop-up will ask me to add, erase, or cancel this request. I'd like to add a code. And now I can enter my new 5-digit code to whatever I'd like it to be. Notice that the screen will ask you to enter this number twice, making sure that they're both the same 5 digits. Hit enter, and now I'll get a pop-up letting me know that this new keypad code has been added.